Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna try Maje and Sandro clothes and also I'm gonna do mini unboxing of Chanel. So let's get started. You know the new season bags are coming the end of May. I heard from SA, just for your information. I love this case. See the Chanel logo at the front and at the back the diamond quilting. Yes, this is sunglass. There were like 3-4 different color, like either frame or both. I wanted the white color, but like when I tried it on, this one was better for me. I love this white trimming color all over. Let me try it on. Is this good on me? Today, I'm gonna try 30 clothes from Maje and Sandro. I'll put the price and size as well. I think last time I tried this one, but I put the size I tried. I love the color combination of tweed, top and the bottom. It was on sale, but now it's ended, but I think it's gonna be on sale again. So this is the new style, but same tweed pattern and color. But I love this dress. This is snap button, so you can easily open and close. This is not a set, but I love this crochet pants and the top. Love the contrasting trim on the dress. It's like so feminine. And this lace detail on the collar. This skater dress is perfect for summer. It looks so feminine, but it's so casual, easy to wear. I love this mixed material knit and denim jacket. The white knit of sleeve side make it so feminine and it looks more casual. I would love to buy this when it's on sale again. This dress is so feminine. I love the embroidered flower pattern. There's a lining inside so it's not transparent. This dress will match well with denim jacket or long cardigan for summer. I loved this sweater and the skirt as a set. This will perfectly match with any Chanel bag I have. To be honest, this is inspired by Chanel, but this is so versatile and the color is perfect. Now let's move on to Sandro. This dress is so pretty. I love the color and pattern. It's like wearing scarf all over, but it runs very big, so I recommend you buy one size down. So there was this white color and also I think navy or black color. I'm gonna try it on later, another color, but I love this dress. It's like silky, smooth texture and so comfortable to wear. I tried this cardigan together. I love this. This was a little bit big. I would prefer size 1, but this is so soft and really comfortable and light. As the model is wearing with white belt, if you have white belt, you can match together. I love this checkered dress because the geometric pattern perfectly matching with the color. Love the front zipper detail. So I wanted the cardigan small size like 1 and the skirt as a like size 2 or 3. But see just the color combination and the style. Isn't it perfectly matching well? Love this denim trimming and the button. With the same jacket skirt, I matched this cardigan. I love this tweed and denim cropped cardigan. Now with the same cardigan, I matched it with a mom jean. This mom jean is so comfortable. With same mom jean, now I tried with cotton canvas jacket with rhinestone. It's like totally 70s feeling. I love this button and also rhinestone detail. This long knit dress is so comfortable. See this texture? Oh my god. It's like silky. Love the beige trimming. This dress can be dressed up and down, perfectly matching with my Chanel black mini square bag. It's kind of a little bit snug fit and I love this black and white trimming and zipper detail. This dress is so silky and lightweight. It's made of viscose and linen, so perfect for summer. I tried the cardigan I showed you earlier. This is perfect match. This lace dress is so feminine. I love this ivory color. Also, there was a same color sleeve, long sleeve inside, so it's not transparent. I like the color of this tweed jumpsuit, and it doesn't look too saggy because there's a belt on the waist side and zipper front detail. So I tried the same style in white color earlier, and that was size 38. This is 36, so this fit better. So I was thinking I have to order the white one. I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll see. But I love this dress. It's so silky. There was only size 40 to try, so I tried this one, but it's a little bit big, so I would order like 38 or 36. But this is pretty much a snug fit and really perfect for summer. Very feminine style. So this one I couldn't find from homepage, but I believe it's from Sandro and size 34. Love this white floral pattern on the green. So how was it? Hope you guys enjoyed my shopping. And this one I really liked. I got this one. Also this dress. I really loved it. Hope you enjoyed my shopping. See you soon. Bye bye.